the question is the potential difference that must be applied to stop the fastest photoelectrons emitted by a nickel surface having work function 5.01 electron volt when ultraviolet light of 200 nanometer falls on it. Okay, this is the question. So the potential difference that must be applied to stop. Yes, stopping potential we have to find out. Clear?
Yes,
So yesterday we studied one formula EV. Clear? EV or EV0. Okay, V0 is the stopping potential. EV0 equal to
mu
S mu minus 5.
work
50,
function.
50. Okay, we have studied one formula. So what is given here, work function is given. Okay, so v0 is our question, so v0 is equal to 1 by e into, okay, understood, clear,
H into
s
S
mu, and mu is not given here.
H is common.
uh, mu is not given, mu is not given here, so mu can be written as c by lambda, correct?
Yes, sir.
You know the reason. Okay, you know the reason, mu equal to c by lambda, is that okay?
According to the formula, C equal to mu
Okay,
lambda,
okay,
mu will
yes.
be C by lambda.
Now we can substitute. Okay, now we can substitute 1 by e into the substitution. I don't want to explain, I mean calculation, but I don't want to explain. 1 by e is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus
Minus
19
19
into hc is there, hc. Okay, h is we know Planck's constant, 6.63 into
6.63 into 10 power minus
minus
34
34
joules. 3
uh,
into 10 power 8 meter
8
per second.
by
2
lambda.
into 10
uh,
power minus 7.
Lambda is given in this question 200 nanometer, so 200 into 1 minute, 200 is
10 power minus
1 minute,
2 into 10 power minus 7 meter.
1 minute, 10 raised to minus 9 minus work function 50, work
5.01.
5.01 into electron volt, 5.01 ev. Okay, let us read like that, 5.01 ev.
E.
We know
So
that
into
e is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, correct?
yes, yes, sir.
And you have to do the calculations well, so but I don't want to discuss the multiplication and subtraction.
Okay, sir. That's not required.
Okay, so what is the answer? So the final answer will be 1.2 volt. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can do the calculation later. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will.
Okay, when you do the multiplication or division, you can do some simplifications. Okay, for example 6.c3 sorry 6.63, you can take it as 6.6 like that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
5.01, you can take it as 5 itself, no problem.
Approximately 5.
Yes,
Okay,
take a lot of approximation so that you will get faster. Okay, so
okay,